Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Arteon shooting brake R 2.0 TSI at a whopping 320 PS is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen in a manganese grey metallic finish. The car's been well maintained during its life cycle by its one previous owner. As you can see, it's got a clean exterior bodywork. You also have your alloy wheels, which are the Adelaide alloys with the R calipers that do offer a stylish and sporty look to the vehicle. Powerful new mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them. Great for places like shopping centres, and an electric tailgate which simply allows you to hold the button on the key to access the boot directly. Great addition to the vehicle if you have your hands full. A long boot space big enough to fit stuff like golf clubs inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. As we come into the back of the car, you'll see we have ISO fixed points at the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and a sustainable amount of legroom in the back there for rear passengers' comfort. As you can see, the multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display. We'll touch on this soon. You can see on that Nappa and Carbon Style leather that you do have your art embroidery on the seats there, and also a panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use and it also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing. On the dashboard display, it shows key information like your driving data, lap timer, and your navigation. You have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. And over on the left hand side, you also have features like the adaptive cruise control to stay at a safe and consistent speed whilst traveling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety, and a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travels. Over to the entertainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and through the steering wheel you can actually configure your driving modes. Here you'll see that we have the 4 different driving modes to choose from, offering a much more tailored experience. For example, the Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport and Race are your more performance-based drive, and as we go into individual, we can actually change our dynamic chassis control, which is our suspension. Obviously the comfortable modes does offer a more smoother experience, while Sport offers a stiffer suspension. Into App Connect, we can access to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and our Mirror Link, allowing us to safely display our phones directly through the car so we can access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music, and even Google Maps navigation if you do prefer. Included in the upgraded Assistance Pack Plus is your Area View and Park Assist. With the Area View, you can actually take a look at the different camera angles to get a closer look while doing maneuvers. This is great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. You can simply pop the car into reverse for these cameras to appear or press the button when you feel like you need it. The car also incorporates a winter pack, which is your heated front seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience, separately controlled, so there's no arguments there. And alongside that, you also have a dual climate control, which can be separately controlled or synchronized with a master switch on the driver's side. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.